I'm Sarah with Child's Pose Studios, and this is your 30-day Kids Yoga Challenge. And you know what? I want to feel brave today. Do you guys want to feel brave with me? Good. Because today we are learning Warrior 2, which is perfect because yesterday we learned Warrior 1. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. Hey everyone, welcome back. This week it's all about the standing poses. And yesterday we did Warrior 1 to help us feel strong and proud and powerful and brave. And today we are going to build on what we learned and do Warrior 2. So for Warrior 2, we're going to start in our mountain pose with strong legs and strong arms. Imagine that invisible string that's pulling your body even taller. Take a deep breath here. Are you guys with me? Good. Now take one leg and step it out a little bit wider and make the other leg equally as wide. Now we're going to move into our Warrior 1. You guys have been here before. You know how we're doing it. Take your feet and turn to the side and bend into that front leg. So check your knee and make sure you can still see your toes. If you can't see your toes, that means your knee has gone too far. So bend your knee, make sure your back leg is nice and straight. Reach your hands all the way up. Strong, proud, powerful, brave warrior. Take a deep breath and open up into your Warrior 2. Now Warrior 2, my hips have now turned to face you and my arms are nice and straight. That invisible string is pulling one arm this way and the other arm that way. And I'm standing tall and proud. My shoulders are back. My knee is bent. You might need to adjust your legs and that's okay. Whatever feels comfortable for you, make sure that your knee is bent and your back leg is straight and your gaze, that means the direction of your eyes where you're looking, is over that front arm and that bent leg. Take a deep breath here. You know, I find that just being in this pose actually makes me feel stronger and prouder and braver like a warrior. I hope you guys feel that too. To get into the other side, we do exactly what we just did on that side. Start in your mountain pose with a nice, tall, proud back. Take a deep breath in here. Do you remember what we do next? Yes. Take one leg out and the other leg out and turn your feet so that you're facing this side now. Bend into your front knee. Bend into your Warrior 1 pose. You guys learned Warrior 1 already. Take a deep breath. Lift your arms all the way up. You might need to readjust your legs, no problem. Are you guys here with me? Awesome. Lift your chin. Take a deep breath and open your arms into Warrior 2. Now your front knee is still bent. You might need to shuffle your feet a little bit. Your hips are facing forward, your shoulders are facing forward. You might need to readjust. That happens, no problem. Reach your hands out. You have that invisible string pushing one way and the invisible string pushing the other. Nice, tall back. Take a deep breath. Maybe sink a little lower. Come all the way up. I hope that you guys are feeling a little braver and a little stronger. I love doing that pose anytime I want to feel powerful. So remember, you have the tools to feel powerful too. Try your warrior 1, try your warrior 2, and come meet me on the mat next time. See you guys soon.